In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add design variations to Printify Etsy listings. 5 minutes. We'll walk through setting up your product variants in Printify so your Etsy listing can offer multiple designs, colors, and sizes without confusion. This process keeps your catalog organized and makes fulfillment seamless. Start by logging into your Printify account and opening your store dashboard. If you manage more than one storefront, double check that the correct store is selected to avoid adding variants to the wrong place. From the dashboard, open My Products to see everything you've created so far. Choose the product you want to update with variations. This could be a shirt, mug, or any item you plan to sell with multiple designs or color options. Open the product and click the brush icon to launch the Printify editor. That brush opens the design workspace where you control artwork, variants, and previews. Once you're in the editor, click Select Variants. This is where you decide which colors and sizes you want to make available. It's helpful to start with a focused set of variants to keep inventory simple, then expand later based on demand. Pay attention to which colors your print provider supports and preview each to ensure your design is readable on both light and dark garments. Also note that different variants can have different base costs, which may influence your pricing on Etsy. Next, handle your designs. For each unique design you plan to offer, you can either create a separate product or apply the design to multiple color variants within the same product. If the designs are distinctly different, separate products can make your Etsy listing cleaner. If the design is the same but offered across multiple colors and sizes, adding it as variants within one product is more efficient. Either way, save each configuration as a draft so you don't lose your work. Give your drafts clear names that reflect the design and color set. This will save time when mapping later. When your variants are set, go back to My Products, open each product or draft, and locate the variant details. Copy the unique SKU numbers for every color and size you plan to list. These SKUs are how Printify and Etsy stay in sync, ensuring the correct item gets fulfilled for each order. Keep these SKUs in a simple spreadsheet or note so you can paste them into Etsy when you set up or edit your listing variations. That's it. You now have properly configured variants in Printify and the SKUs you'll use to map those options on Etsy. Save your work, preview mockups, and you're ready to link everything on your Etsy listing.